Hello everyone, welcome back to our daily English practice session. In our previous structure class, we learned the use of never, which helps us talk about feelings, experiences, or beliefs that we have never had before. There, I explained how to use the structure clearly in real life situations. Today's video is completely practice based. We will practice 15 real natural conversational sentences so you can express your experiences confidently in your everyday English. If you want to understand the full explanation properly, make sure to watch the previous structure class first. The link is given in the description box. Now stay focused, repeat after me, and let's begin our practice. I have never felt this happy before. I repeat, I have never felt this happy before. আমি আগে কখনো এত খুশি হইনি। She has never experienced such pain before. I repeat, she has never experienced such pain before. সে আগে কখনো এমন ব্যথা অনুভব করেনি। He has never seen such kindness ever. I repeat, he has never seen such kindness ever. সে আগে কখনো এমন দয়া দেখেনি। They have never faced this type of silence before. I repeat, they have never faced this type of silence before. আগে তারা কখনো এ ধরনের চ্যালেঞ্জ মোকাবেলা করেনি। We have never heard such good news before. I repeat, we have never heard such good news before. আমরা আগে কখনো এমন ভালো খবর শুনিনি। You have never shown this attitude ever. I repeat, you have never shown this attitude ever. তুমি আগে কখনো এমন আচরণ দেখাওনি। I have never trusted anyone this much before. I repeat, I have never trusted anyone this much before. আমি আগে কখনো কাউকে এতটা বিশ্বাস করিনি। She has never been this confident before. I repeat, she has never been this confident before. সে আগে কখনো এতটা আত্মবিশ্বাসী ছিল না। He has never felt so lonely before. I repeat, he has never felt so lonely before. সে আগে কখনো এত একা মনে করেনি। They have never enjoyed a moment like this ever. I repeat, they have never enjoyed a moment like this ever. তার আগে কখনো এমন মুহূর্ত উপভোগ করেনি। I have never tasted such delicious food before. I repeat, I have never tasted such delicious food before. আমি আগে কখনো এত সুস্বাদু খাবার খাইনি। He has never handled such a big responsibility before. I repeat, he has never handled such a big responsibility before. সে আগে কখনো এত বড় দায়িত্ব সামলায়নি। He has never traveled alone before. I repeat, he has never traveled alone before. সে আগে কখনো একা ভ্রমণ করেনি। We have never worked on such a project before. I repeat, we have never worked on such a project before. আমরা আগে কখনো এমন প্রজেক্টে কাজ করিনি। You have never spoken to me like this before. I repeat, you have never spoken to me like this before. তুমি আগে কখনো আমার সঙ্গে এমন ভাবে কথা বলোনি। That's all for today's practice session. By practicing sentences like this, you will be able to express negative experiences or feelings clearly, naturally, and confidently in English. Remember, real fluency comes from using what you learn, not just understanding it. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I will see you in the next video with another practice session. Till then, keep practicing, stay consistent, and keep believing in yourself.